Hi, welcome to Arizona Highland Homestead. Today we are harvesting some of our potatoes. You ready to see them? All right, here we go. So we already harvested this patch here. We're going to pull out some more, see what we've got. All right, see a few small ones on there. Look at that big red one. That's awesome. Just got a few off of that one, huh? There's probably more down in here. Let's see what we've got. There's one, I see one. Nice. Another one. I really like those red potatoes. Let us know in a comment what your favorite type of potato is. Looks like we got some grubs in there too. We need to feed those to the chickens. I like red potatoes. Danielle likes Yukon Golds. But you know, we're fans of all of them, and sweet potatoes are something that we eat all the time. So there's a worm crawling around. A few worms. Looks like real healthy soil. We don't get to see what's below the surface all that often because we do no-till growing. So it's kind of cool to see what life is down here. But we got a few of these grubs. Let's get these, save them for the chickens. Don't need any grubs in there. See those? Let's see what we got on this plant here. There's a few. Seems like these red ones, not too many stick to the roots. A lot of them stay in the ground. I'm the grub cleanup crew here while Danielle pulls them out. So last year we actually had some of these potatoes that we missed. There's some good little red potatoes. Red potatoes tend to be a little bit smaller, but we had some big ones from that first one that Danielle pulled out. Where's all the grubs? Free chicken food. I'm not going to pass that up. All those grubs. Might give some to the quail too. There's one. Quite a few red potatoes. And a few grubs. I wonder what kind of insects these are. They have to be some type of beetle. Quite a few little ones. Rotten seed potato. So that was what we planted. We planted that one little potato and we got all of those other ones. Oh, this looks like a better one. Nice. Quite a bit of potatoes. We'll show you guys all these potatoes when we're done. We're just gonna get out this one little row right here. Right. Some more potatoes, some more grubs. Oh, this next one's a Yukon Gold. So we'll leave that one for later. All right, that's it for now. Let's take a look at our harvest here.
That's not our harvest. We still have more.
All right, y'all. Here is a 10 by 20 inch tray with them in there so you can see them a little bit better. But that is our first potato harvest for 2022. All right, so that wasn't it. We actually decided 2 nights later to come out in the garden and harvest these purple potatoes and some more of the red potatoes. And we had a whole harvest. We also harvested some onions, and then we chopped those up, added some garlic, and Danielle made us some scalloped potatoes with Gouda cheese, and they were amazing. Alright, so that was a little bit of us harvesting some of our potatoes here. It's only the beginning of June and we're already getting some potatoes, so that's fun. But if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click down below and click the subscribe button if we've earned your subscription. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That really helps us out a whole bunch, and thanks for sticking till the end. We do appreciate that. We'll have more videos for you guys real soon. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm Nick from Arizona Highland Homestead. We'll see you guys real soon. Thanks for watching.